6:30 this morning, I dropped Mutz off at a crayfish tour, so hopefully he comes back with lots of crayfish. It's freezing. I just took Miley to the dog beach and now I'm gonna go get a coffee and something to eat. Today we're gonna drive all the way to Geraldton. We need to go shopping in Geraldton, and then we're gonna keep going and we're gonna stay at Dongara, and then after Dongara, we're finally going to make it to Sandy Cape, which is where I wanted to go on my way up, but I couldn't because it was school holidays and it was completely booked out. But yeah, I'm going to go buy a coffee. Thank you to everyone who has supported the Buy Me a Coffee recently. I haven't talked about it much because a lot of the Buy Me a Coffee went to the diesel on my way up north. But yeah, it's a freezing day, so it's time for a coffee. Okay, I got a small latte, and then I got croissant, and then for Mutz I got Nutella donuts. Put up, Mutz is on his way back from the tour, and thankfully fuel has gone down to $2.16, and in Geraldton it's actually $1.97. Back it looks like a small box. That looks like a small box. One?
Oh, they gave us a frozen one as well.
That's all you got for $80? We went to Geraldton today and we did all of our shopping and stuff, and now we've made it to Dongara. And the fridge is stocked. $35 a night for an unpowered site. It's the biggest unpowered site ever, and the beach is like 10 meters away and it's so blue. I'll show you guys. This is our huge site, $35. So lovely, and the beach is just behind there. You got it? I think this is one of the nicest campsites I've ever been to. Like, it's beautiful. Mutz has gone down to the jetty to go fishing. I've just had a shower and I'm making dinner. I'm going to show you what I make. So at Ballara we bought some of their fresh lamb, but it was frozen. Anyway, I've just defrosted that today, and we're having, like, I don't know how to explain it, but the pita bread that we were making over the fire, we've just been making it in the pan every night. It's so yum, just like flour, water, oil, more of that here. Then we're having this coleslaw salad, some red onion and tomato, and then I'm going to fry this up and we'll just put like cheese on top, and then have like little, I don't know, burger balls, I guess. Here's our finished dinner. We've made it to Sandy Cape. This is our site here, and we lit our fires, and there's the beach right there. Mutz is making the campfire, and we have the sunset right there. Here's the bruschetta. We're having bruschetta once again because we just love it so much. Here we go. Come here. I've just gone back to get my camera to show you how nice it is here. The weekend is basically over, so everyone that was here has kind of left, and now it's really empty. And this little spot doesn't have any seaweed, so I've just gone for a swim. But it's absolutely beautiful. It's so nice finding somewhere to stay for $25 a night where dogs are allowed, where there's a beach that's nice. It's very rare to find in Western Australia, so guys.
Good morning, guys.
We have woken up to the most horrendous weather. So we're leaving Sandy Cape and we're going to Jurien Bay to a caravan park to bunker down. Apparently it's going to rain 30 mil. So let's go. Alright, so we've made it to Jurien Bay. We're here for 2 nights. The weather is not very good. $34 for Unpower, which is very reasonable. We have just put on all of our laundry and I actually got seat covers for the bus because the actual seats are starting to look pretty rough and I don't want to damage them anymore. So I got these seat covers from a brand called Solara seat covers. I'll show you what they look like now. I'm also getting them in black just to have like both and I can put on whichever I feel like, but I will put my code for them on the screen below and I'll link them in the description as well, but I'll show you what they look like. So that's the brand Solara and here are the covers. So really nice, and they have the seatbelt covers as well, so I got them for both and they're a one size fits all, so you can go on their website and I just like messaged them and said do they fit Toyota Coaster, and they said they do and they've arrived and they do fit. Yeah, they're like one size fits all, so good, and they're really affordable as well because the covers I was looking at were like $200 each. These ones were $90 each. The weather is so bad. We have just done our laundry. Mutz is currently folding laundry. Bedding is all washed and put on. And I've been deep cleaning, not that it looks like it. This is what life is going to be like for me. Seat covers are looking good though. So I haven't really been vlogging. We travelled from Jurien Bay and we're now in Lancelin, staying at the Experience Lancelin Holiday Park, which is actually a really nice park right on the beach. But the weather has just been dreadful, so I haven't been filming because we have not been doing much at all. Today we are driving almost 3 hours to the Lake Preston Lime Paddock, which is like a $20 campsite. You can have campfires and stuff, so we'll take you along for that. Mutz is leaving in a couple of days, but yeah, the weather has not been like, we haven't been doing much. We've just been staying one night and then leaving. But yeah, I started my new job in 6 days, which is super exciting. I have a lot of driving to do before then. Alrighty everyone, we've made it to this really cool campsite. It's raining. There's a little hobbit house where we're going to pay at. That's actually so cool. Look at the car, it's like in a... Coolest campsite ever. We are being invaded. Mutz has made a fire really well in this rain. It's been raining all day. Miley's just here and the geese are there, but once again we're gonna have some damper, but today we're actually gonna have some steak, which is really yum. And yeah, the weather has definitely cooled off.